How to get started with creating and running jobs in Mat3ra platform. Creating job involves 3 steps. Specify the material system, such as crystal structure, lattice constants, and atomic positions. Specify the workflow steps, whether we are going to run a band structure calculation, or a molecular dynamics calculation, or something else. Finally, depending on the system's size, desired accuracy, and available resources, we can specify the compute parameters, such as required number of nodes, number of processors per node. So, how do we specify the material system? There are a few different options in Mat3ra platform. We can upload structure files such as CIF or VASP-POSCAR formatted files from our local computer. We can search in the materials bank. Currently, there are over 10,000 structures contributed by Mat3ra user community. Alternatively, we can import structure from third-party sources, such as Materials Project. If you still cannot find your structure, click the Create button and design your material from scratch using Materials Designer. Specify the lattice type, lattice constants, atomic positions. You have everything needed to generate any arbitrary structure. Next, how do we specify workflow steps? We can search in the workflow bank or create from scratch. We can find most common workflows in Mat3ra workflow bank. If required, we can always create workflows from scratch. Specify if you need sub-workflow, add units and flavors as required. Once you have material and workflow in hand, navigate to Job Designer. Click Create New Job. We can organize our jobs under an existing project or create new project. Select a material or multiple materials, as needed. Select Workflow and adjust any important parameters. Navigate to Compute tab and select Cluster, queue type, number of nodes and number of processors per node. Save and exit Job Designer. Now our job creation is complete and ready to submit the job for execution. Now visit platform.mat3ra.com and try yourself. Thank you for watching this tutorial and using our platform.